Hey beauty, so today I got some hair from Eayon's hair. This is their deep curly boat hair in the color 1B, and this is 18 inches. So today we're going to attempt to do some micro braids. They sent me over 3 packs. I ended up only using 2 full packs and like a couple strands out of that 3rd pack, so I had just the right amount of hair. Now I'm not gonna lie, this hair did stink. I don't know what happened, but it wasn't smelling too good. So what I did to get the smell out, I let the hair soak in apple cider vinegar for about an hour, and then I went and washed the hair in peppermint soap. Now that got out about 95% of the smell. I'm only going to show you how I did 1 braid in the back and 1 braid in the front because the video is super repetitive and I didn't want to make this video too long. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you a part of the crew. You know, I'm just a laid back YouTuber that, you know, pop up here and there and do videos. Now, if my subscribers, y'all got any videos that y'all would want me to do, you know, just let me know in the comments down below. I'm thinking about doing more like vlogging videos. I'd be wanting to do videos, but I'd be like, I don't know if my subscribers gonna like it. So if y'all can think of any video suggestions, just let me know and I'll try to do it. You know, I'll always just wait on a brand to reach out to me. But if y'all got something y'all want to see, let me know and I'll try to do it. Now here is the finished look, y'all. The curls are so beautiful. I took my time with it. It took me a whole week to do this. Now when you wear your hair up in a ponytail like this, I would say wait a week just so you won't damage your edges, because you know we need them edges. I recommend, so you won't have to pull your hair up at night, I would recommend getting a lock bonnet. And I'll try to insert a picture if I remember. I'm going to show you the mousse that I use, and I'm also going to show you the hair products that I'm going to use to keep my scalp fresh. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, please share, please comment, and thank you for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.